Hello. Hi. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a makeup tutorial using the Daisy Marquez eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like. If you guys haven't ordered it yet, you definitely should. But it's just super cute. I love the Tiffany blue teal kind of color that she went with. And so the top just pops off. It's magnetic. And it reveals all of the colors, which I love. There are mattes, shimmers, pastels, vibrant colors, neutral colors, warm tones, cool tones. She did it all. And there's a mirror, so it's super exciting. And you just basically put it in like that, and it creates kind of like a vanity when you do your makeup. Super cute. Or what I like to do is just keep the eyeshadows on my little desk right here, and I hold the eyeshadow and I hold the mirror so I can just kind of go in with it. So I'm super excited to show you guys how I created this look. It's nice and sunny and clear skies outside, so I was feeling the colorful eyeshadows. And so I went in with Naked, Karma, Flower, Vintage, and Stunt. And so I kind of created a very subtle eyeshadow look, but there's still that pop of color, and it's very summery feeling and colorful, and I love it. And I'm super excited to show you guys how I created it. It's super simple, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right on into the video. Alright, who's ready to get into this tutorial? I'm first starting off with primer. This is from Hello Fab. It's a coconut skin smoothie priming moisturizer, and I've been loving it. And as I was applying this to my skin, I did not notice that my screensaver just shut off in the back, but you'll see me notice it right here. I saw it in my mirror. I was like, oh shoot. And yeah, so I'm just fixing my baby hairs while it resets, fixing my hair, you know, just finding ways to kill time. And boom, it's back and we're ready. And now, since I kind of primed and moisturized already, I still like to go in with this Maybelline primer. A lot of my products, you guys, are still Maybelline, and I really want to try out new products, but you guys gotta let me know what you want to see. This is also from Maybelline. You guys know I like to color correct. I have some redness from pimples, acne scars, whatnot. My skin has actually been looking really nice lately, and I'm loving it. I'm trying this new kind of diet situation, so if you guys want me to talk about that at all, then let me know. But I've been drinking a lot of water, and I know you guys hear that a lot, but I think that has a lot to do with skin and clearing that up, so drink a lot of water, guys. And so I'm going in with my Dewy Smooth foundation from Maybelline. It's the Fit Me, and I love this foundation. It is probably the best foundation that I've ever used from the drugstore, and that is why I always use it in every single makeup tutorial. But I'm pretty much just trying out this new technique where I paint the foundation on my face like so, and once that is all done, I go in with this weird shaped beauty blender that I'm obsessed with, and I just blend it out all over. And you guys have probably seen me previously in videos go in with a foundation brush first and then the beauty blender, but I've been really loving just doing the beauty blender for now. I just like switching up my techniques here and there. Who knows if I'll ever go back to the foundation brush. I mean, I still use it to kind of blend out the foundation into my hairline just to make sure I don't have any weird lines going on. But once that is all done, I go in with concealer from Maybelline. This is comparable to the NARS concealer, and I've never used the NARS concealer, but I've heard other people say that. But I love this concealer. A little bit goes a long way, so you just need a few dots underneath the eyes and a little bit on the high points of your face. And now I'm going in with this Kokie Professional Be Bright Illuminating Concealer just to cover up some more of my pimples or any dark areas or red areas that didn't quite get covered up completely with the foundation. And I just go ahead and blend that out with a beauty blender. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera for now, but I do have an eyebrow tutorial coming for you guys very soon, so don't you worry about that. But now I'm going into powder. I like to take this pressed powder from Maybelline and just apply that all over my face to set all of my foundation and concealer. And I actually do want to try another setting powder that has a stronger hold, because my makeup or my face, whatever it is, it gets so oily at the end of the day and it's super irritating because I just look like a grease ball, and I need a good powder to fix that. So if you guys have any recommendations, please let me know. But once all of that is blended out, I go in with bronzer and contour and all that good stuff. So I first go in and mix the two middle shades to create a nice tone of bronze for my skin tone. And I just go ahead and blend all that out and bring it up my hairline and just connect it all the way around underneath my jawline, create a nice shadow there. And once that is done, I go in with the nose, bronze up the nose a little bit, and now I go in and mix the last two shades on the end, and I start to contour and just deepen those cheekbones a little bit all the way around. And oh, I see a loose dog and I'm freaking out, and my dog is too. So I came back inside to finish my face, and I can see through the window that the dog just ran right up the driveway and the garage door closed. So the dog is safe, it's all good. I'm just back contouring my face, shadowing those cheekbones, and getting on with my life. But make sure you guys blend the jawline out super well, because in the middle of the day you can be looking like you have a bunch of dirt underneath your face, and it's not cute. Trust me, I've gone through it. But right now I'm just cleaning up the lines. I'm pretty much just applying powder anywhere where I don't want the bronzer or contour to blend to. So when I'm blending it right now with a clean bronzer brush, I don't want that to transfer on any of the highlighted areas on my face. You guys feel me? So I'm just blending this all out super well, and you can always go back and fix your contour, add a little more, but make sure you guys blend, because you can't blend enough. And now it's time for the exciting part, the eyeshadow. I'm so excited. Look at all the colors. I'm first going in with Naked and applying that all over my lid as a nice base for the eyeshadows. And I'm going in with Flower, this gorgeous yellow, and I'm applying this into my crease and building that color up. It starts off really nice and sheer and soft, but I wanted to build it up so it was bold and bright, so you guys can build it up as much as you want. But look at that blend. I haven't even gone in and blended yet. Well, I'm blending it now, but the point is they blend super nicely and I'm obsessed, and that's why I also take it on my lower lash line. Make sure to blend it out super well. Now I'm going in with the shade Karma, which is this beautiful bold red, and I'm applying this with an eyeliner brush, kind of creating an eyeliner look. So you basically just want to apply this right above your lashes and make it a little bit thicker around the outer corner and buff it up a little bit. And now I'm going into the shade Vintage and using that in the outer corners to kind of blend the yellow and the red together. And I really just think that Vintage makes Flower and Karma both pop. And they really just tie in together to kind of create like a sunset look almost. And I'm also taking it on my lower lash line as well, just to define that a little bit more. And once I'm done blending all of that out, I go back in and blend out Vintage. After all of that blending, Flower kind of disappeared away, and I really wanted to bring her back to life, so I just topped it off a little bit more. And now I'm going back in and smoking out that red liner just a little bit more, and I'm obsessed with it. And now I'm going in with black eyeliner from Revlon and using this to line my tight line just to make my lashes look a little bit fuller. And now I'm going in with mascara, and I'm using this Gayete London Wonderland mascara as my first coat, and then I go in for a second coat with this Flourish by Lash Blast mascara from CoverGirl, and just using that to feather the lashes a little bit more. And I also love this mascara for my lower lashes as well. And now I just take some clear lash gel and comb out my eyebrows. And now going back to eyeshadow, I'm taking this shimmer shade Stunt and applying this to my inner corner and my brow bone as well. It's a super gorgeous highlight shade, so I'm not only using it for my eyes, you guys, I'm using it for my face too. Yes, girl, I'm using it on my nose, on my cheeks, on the high points, all over my face, and I love this highlight. It does the job, and it makes me look glowy, just enough glowy and shimmery, you know. It's just so pretty. And now I'm going in with blush. I'm taking this Milani blush in Luminoso, one of my favorite blushes ever because it's shimmery, and I love shimmery blushes. It just blends with my highlight. It makes me look dewy and alive, and I love it. And I just blend all that out. And again, same thing that happened with Flower, you know, like blending away. I needed to bring my bronzer back to life, so I'm just topping that off a little bit more and going back in and blending everything out so it all blends together. And I'm setting my face with this Maybelline Master Prime, just kidding, Master Fix setting spray, spraying that all over. Now I go in with lips, and I'm taking this gorgeous nude from MAC in the shade Whirl and aligning that all over first. And now I'm going in with gloss, this Beauty Control moisturizing lip gloss in the shade Cupcake. And my screensaver changed again, so I'll fix that. But this is the makeup look. I hope you guys like it. Now I just need to fix this hair. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I really recommend this eyeshadow palette. I hope you guys pick one up. It's very affordable too, so I'm loving that. I bought it when it was only $19.99. I'm loving it, and I think you guys will too. But if you guys are into like subtle looks and you want more and you want me to try out some different looks with these eyeshadows, then go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. With all that being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already, and don't forget to turn on post notifications. Leave a comment down below telling me what kind of video you would like to see next, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!